Autumn. It is truly one of the most beautiful times of the year. The fall season brings thoughts of all things cozy, like scented candles, crackling fireplaces, warm blankets, and hot drinks. It makes me want to snuggle up in a corner to read a good book or watch a favorite movie. But before I do that, I like to set the mood and prepare my surroundings. Let's decorate. The first thing I like to do is pull everything out and see what I have to work with. This part is so exciting to me because while it's packed away, I forget what I have. And sometimes I have purchased things at the end of the last season that I hadn't used yet. My personal design taste right now is rustic glam, a mixture of sparkle and shine with a little bit of farmhouse texture. So, you don't have to be locked into one particular style. It's okay to break the decorating rules sometimes. Once everything is laid out, I group like objects together so that I can decide where I want to put it. The room is currently a neutral palette of grays, creams, and whites. This allows me to add other colors to make the space look and feel different as the seasons change. These are the general areas that I plan to add some fall touches. Here's an idea. I'm using a utensil basket that I spray painted silver to hold all of my remotes and smaller items that I like to keep nearby while I'm sitting on the couch. This keeps the table from looking so cluttered. Does anyone else have 100 remotes? By only changing smaller accessories like pillows, candles, florals, and blankets, I'm able to spend less money and fit those items into the storage bins. I love anything that lights up, from twinkle lights to candles. It looks so pretty in the evenings, giving just a soft glow. Battery-operated candles is the safest option for these bookshelves. They look so pretty when they're glowing at night, it creates a nice ambiance. Using pillow covers is a great way to keep you from buying and storing so many different pillows for each season. Be sure to come back next week for part 2 to see a complete view of the room and see how I decorate my dining room. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Also, if you have areas in your home that you would like some decorating ideas, leave me a comment below so that we can brainstorm together. I'm Steph Storm, and you'll see me next time.